hindi siya maniniwala sa'yo.
You're probably right. Pero nakalimutan mo na ba that I have witnesses and testimonials? I mean, yes, sa una, he can be in denial. Pero I'm sure, mag-iisip yung magtatanong. And then itong lahat ng galit niya sa akin, lahat to, this will be nothing compared to how much he will hate you. Honey, please. Alam mo naman siguro kung paano magalit si Wilfred, di ba? Wilfred's a different kind of beast kapag nagalit. Kaya if I were you, I would pray hard.
Ano mo gagawin sa akin to? Please, Ronnie, nagmamakaawa ako sa'yo mo sasabihin kay Wilfred.
Wow! Wow! Hindi pa nga kita pinapaluhod eh. But I guess, masyado kang takot na maging new address ng City Jail.
Lorena?